Hey, what's up, y'all? So listen, I'm making this video because I really wanted just to show with you guys why I choose to use liquid brokers. So if you're in if you're in the trading space, this video is for you. My name's Amari from Miami, Florida, and really and truly, I just want to share why I'm using. And so this video is for traders. If you're somebody who's interested in trading, somebody who's interested in learning how to learning what platforms to use. I specifically am using liquid brokers. Liquid brokers was originally sway markets, but they got absorbed by liquid brokers, and everything pretty much stayed the same. So a seamless transition. And I've been using this broker in this ecosystem now for going on 3 years. And for those of you watching, I simply want to make this video because I want to kind of share with you guys why I'm using liquid brokers. Now, disclaimer: you can use any broker you want. There's hundreds and thousands of brokers out there in the world, but I just want to share with you guys why I'm using this particular broker. Now, based off of what I'm going to tell you, doesn't mean that nothing can go wrong, but I'm going to show you why there's less likely of a chance for things to go wrong and a more likely chance for things to go right when it comes to withdrawing your money in this space when it comes to a platform like a liquid brokers. And that's because, I've been a part of platforms where, I've tried to get a withdrawal from, and I wasn't able to get a withdrawal. And, I know people that have gotten kicked out of brokers. I know people that money has been withheld in the brokers. And I just want to make it clear to why I'm using this broker. And I'm just going to share my screen really quick. And number one, what I want to say is the first thing you want to do is when you start to learn how to trade Forex, you want to partner up with a broker. And so if you do want to choose to use liquid brokers, all you have to do is just go to the link down below and just create your free account. It's free to create an account, open up a demo account, open up an ECN account, and just go from there. So I'm going to share my screen, just share with you guys why, I choose to use a broker like liquid brokers. So I'm just going to share my screen really quick and just show this right here. Now, if you want to see this right here, just go to liquid brokers and you go to the help desk and you can see the affiliate program. But what it's going to show you is that number one, it is a fully regulated experience, right? Liquid Brokers is a licensed and regulated broker. Now, what does that mean? It simply means that if there was something to happen, right, when it comes to withdrawing money, when it comes to, you know, uh, technical glitches, the Liquid Brokers has a fiduciary responsibility in order to fulfill that need, or else a license could get potentially, removed. And so far they've been doing great with that. And when I look at this broker, I look at a few things. Number one, is regulated by ASIC, the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, which means that that's a very heavily regulated regulatory body. And if you look at these five brokers, IC Markets, Owanda, Vantage, ACAP, and Forex.com, all these platforms are in different places, either in US or in Australia. But all five of them only have one of the same regulatory brokers, which is ASIC. So if you scroll down here, you see regulators, you see ASIC, even for the Australian and the US brokers, right? All the Australian brokers don't have a CFTC license, right? So now a good thing about liquid brokers is that very simple. You can use their own platform, Liquid Charts, or Liquid Charts Pro. Liquid Charts is more of a desktop. Liquid Charts Pro is more for your iPhone, right? I trade off of Liquid Pro, Liquid Charts Pro a lot. And also, if you're an international client, you can have access to MT5. So if you're not in the US, you can have access to MT5, which is amazing. People love MT5. There's max 1 to 500 leverage. About 99% of the traders in the world trade off of 1 to 500 leverage, which means that for every $1, you're getting access to $500 worth of leverage, which is, incredible. When you look at these five brokers, you see that the US brokers have what? A 50 to 1 leverage, uh, a 50 to 1 leverage, and a 200 to 1 leverage, Owanda and Forex.com, right? And so also you can trade, the minimum trade is a one micro lot, and you only need $10 to deposit inside of this broker. So you don't need $50, $100, $10, and you're good. The support works pretty well 24/7. I've had uh, great solutions when it came to action support for things. And also the deposit type is you can deposit in crypto and or fiat, and withdrawals are 24/7, right? But the beautiful thing about liquid brokers is this: not only can you trust this platform with trading your own money, but you can share with other people. And when you share with other people, you're able to get compensated, right? So there's a 5-level tier in this compensation, correct? And I just kind of want to go through this right here, right? Which means that this is what's possible. So I look at this. You have 100 active traders, right? Trading about anywhere from $500 to $1,000. Think about this. With 100 active traders, as you're building your community of trading, as you're showing people how you trade, as you're saying, hey, look, I use this broker because of X, Y, and Z. What's happening is that now you're building your community, your community. They're using the platform. They're using the platform, and now you're able to make about $1,000 to $1,200 weekly. On average, right? You can make more, you can make less. It just depends, right? It's not a set number. It's just a roundabout ballpark. Well, guess what? If you're about 1,000 active traders, well, you can potentially make this $10,000, $12,000 weekly, and so on and so forth. So there's so much potential when it comes to sharing this platform. And so if you're looking for a trading broker that's experienced, a trading broker that's been around longer than 2 years now, a broker that is very dependent upon. A lot of people use us. By us means the community that I'm a part of. And I think that, you should definitely look into Liquid Brokers. So that's the video I wanted to make today. And hopefully, you have a great trading experience. If you want to be a part of my free community and the one that I'm a part of, just click the link below in the YouTube video and just check it out. It's free to sign up. We don't sell courses. We don't sell any of those things. All we do is host free events. And as of right now, I'm on tour right now, 21-day, 7-city, 14-event tour, talking about cryptocurrency and foreign exchange and just being a better version of yourself. Just go ahead and click the link below, get started, create your account with Liquid Brokers and the prop firm that we support, which is Sway Funded. We're going to make a video about that. Click that link too, and it's free to get started. And I'll leave a code there to where you can get 30% off your funded account. Anyways, have a good day. I'm out.